Breaking the Wall of Dementia Prevention, Dr. Brigid Ryan, the University of Auckland, New Zealand.
Thank you. This is a human brain. It was donated by one of the 2,000 New Zealanders who die every year from Alzheimer's disease, which is the leading cause of dementia. All of the drugs that have looked promising in the lab as dementia treatments have failed in clinical trial. And we believe this is because we're trying to treat too late in the disease process when the brain is already irreparably damaged. So we think that the key to combating dementia is early detection. Now we know that the changes in the brain that cause dementia actually begin decades before clinical symptoms appear, such as memory loss. So we think that if we can intervene at this very early time point, then we may be able to prevent or treat dementia. So we're talking about, say, 10 years before these clinical symptoms appear. But the problem is, how do we know that someone is in this early phase of dementia if they don't yet have any clinical symptoms? This is the problem that we're trying to solve. The way that we're doing this is that we're working with a family which carries a rare genetic mutation that causes dementia. We're studying these people when they're healthy, up to 30 years before they're expected to develop clinical symptoms. And we're looking for changes that are happening in this really early stage of dementia. We think that these same changes could then be used in the general population to identify other people who are in this early phase of dementia. This would allow other researchers to test potential treatments, and it's our hope that in the future one of these would be successful. So up the top here you can see the family tree. In green we have all of the people who are involved in our study, and in black we have those who are or were affected by dementia. In 2006, one of the women from this family passed away and donated her brain to the Centre for Brain Research. The centre then identified that she carried a mutation which causes frontotemporal dementia in her family. The family then asked us if they could be involved in brain research. The result is a research program which is called the New Zealand Frontotemporal Dementia Research Study, or FTD GENS. And it's unique internationally. This is a longitudinal study, and we're measuring a whole host of things that might be changing in these people at this early time point, which are all listed here. Our results will tell us whether any of these things are useful as early biomarkers of dementia. And it's our hope that by identifying people who are in this early phase of dementia, we will be able to find an effective treatment. Thank you.